Morning everyone, so today we're at a Honda CR-V 2005. So it's a 2.2 diesel engine, and the problem with this is they've had to replace the ignition barrel because the first key went wonky. So it's a friend of mine, and as you say, a friend in need is a paste. Paste. So what he managed to do, he went to was it Scrappy you went, Scott? eBay, and he got another barrel with the key. So he phoned me up to say we've installed it, but the immobiliser light came on and they couldn't start it. So I had a genius idea lying on my couch. I said, listen, see the original key, the new key, wrap it in tin foil, then insert the original key with the chip, and then we can program in later on. And it done it. You still got the stuff? Right, so in order to fool the immobiliser, the new key we wrapped in tin foil, and we just used the chip. Let's see, the chip out the old key, and we just placed them together. So when you put them in, the immobiliser light goes out. Oh, there we go. It's not starting this time. Right, try it again. There we go. So the tin foil works a treat there. So now we're going to code it in. So see if we take that away, Scott, does that light start flashing? No. So it's read it. Alright, that's good. So we go into the scan tool here, we use frequently used functions, immobiliser, so we go immobiliser, okay, immobiliser setup, okay, go to keys, and we're going to add one key. You just keep it there. Turn the ignition off, Scotty. Right, on with the original key, so put it back in like you had it. Right, turn the ignition off within 15 seconds. Off now, lad. Right, turn the key on with the new key, so rip that stuff off it. We've got 15 seconds. 14, 13, 12. Get it in, lad. Is that it on? Right, turn the ignition off within 14. Turn it off again, Scotty. Right off. Turn the ignition on within 19 seconds. Go, Scotty. The pressures. Turn the ignition switch off. Turn it on. Does the immobiliser light go off? Yes. Yes, start the car, Scotty. Hey, there we go. Does the immobiliser? Yes, we've done it. Turn the ignition off, Scotty. Turn the ignition switch on with the original key. Oh, wrap it back up in tin foil. Oh, fuck. You can't, sorry about the swearing in this chat. Oh no! I just wrap it, quick lad. Right, the registering key has been complete. Turn the ignition switch off. Oh, check all keys. Okay. So just use the new key now. You got the new key there? Just rip that stuff off it.
Take that, give me that thing away. Together. Where's the bit? Inside it.
Alright, try your new key now, lad. Right. Yay. Yeah, that's just done it. That was a bit panicky there at the end. So you can see the immobiliser light is off. And it's all good to go, and we can get rid of the tin foil now. So there's a quick one. So that proves that the little launch does that function pretty well. I tried it on the Autel, and for some reason it would not read this car. I've no idea. Because I last updated the Autel in 2017, so don't know. Anyway, there you go. There's the procedure. Cheers.